I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dragon Cannoli in Brainrot Evolution. First, you'll need to journey to the ancient dragon's lair, a challenging area on the far eastern side of the map. Be prepared for a tough fight, as a powerful guardian protects the entrance. Once inside, your quest will involve gathering 3 unique ingredients scattered throughout the lair. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you successfully craft this legendary item. The next crucial step is gathering the 3 essential ingredients. You'll need to collect dragon scales, which drop from the smaller dragon enemies patrolling the lair. Look for the vibrant fire blossom, a rare plant that thrives near the active volcanic vents. It glows with a distinct orange hue. Finally, locate a hidden chest containing a vial of pure essence, often guarded by a tricky puzzle or a mini-boss. Each ingredient is vital for the cannoli's unique properties. With all your ingredients in hand, head to the ancient crafting station situated in the very heart of the dragon's lair. This mystical altar is where the magic happens. Place the dragon scales, the glowing fire blossom, and the vial of pure essence into the designated slots. It's crucial to follow the recipe's instructions precisely. Any deviation might result in a failed attempt or a less potent item. The crafting process takes about 30 seconds to complete. Once crafted, the Dragon Cannoli offers incredible benefits. Consuming this legendary treat grants you a temporary 25% damage boost, making your attacks significantly more powerful. Additionally, it provides a 5-second invulnerability shield, protecting you from all incoming damage. This makes the Dragon Cannoli an invaluable asset, especially when facing the toughest bosses or navigating perilous areas. Use it wisely to turn the tide of battle in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.